the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands like the ceiling fan.
This video requires you to have a Gmail account to upload a video. And welcome to my video. And today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube video. So the first step is you go into this little filming button right here, and you click it, and then once you go a little bit to the bottom, you click upload video. Once you get into this, then you go in and then you click this. And then you either go on to desktop and then you find your videos that you made. And then you go into wherever you put it in, like in documents, like you made your videos. Then once you drag, you go into the bottom right corner, open. If you did that, you can name your title, description, and other stuff. So or just name it whatever you want. This one's a Roblox video, and then you'll see it's how much percent it's gonna take, and then you can do a video thumbnail, which it's done processing. So you can choose your thumbnails, which are the ones you see up right here, and then you can share or add a message to your video and the description. So yeah. So for Windows, you have to go to the upload button, which you click on, and then once it loads, you go into upload, and then you choose your file. Like with Windows, so you choose your file, search your video from, and then you find it, and then once you do that, you click on it and then click open. But you can just double click it, and then it takes time to upload for longer videos, and then for shorter videos, then yeah. And then once you're done processing and uploading, press publish.